Hi, I'm Tom from System Q. As a CCTV installer, you'll often get asked if you can fit additional CCTV cameras where you've installed just one coax cable. And sometimes it can be really easy to fit additional cable, but other times it can be a real pain to retrofit. And this brings up a common question for our tech support team. Can you send more than one camera signal down one coax cable? And the answer, I'm pleased to say, is yes, using a pair of these little beauties. These are the HDMule signal distributors for CCTV. Using a pair of these lets you send up to 4 CCTV camera signals down one coax cable. The transmitter at the camera end combines the 4 video signals to send them down one coax cable. The receiver then reconstructs the individual videos at the DVR end. It's that simple. And the HDMules even allow up the coax PTZ control as well. So let's have a closer look. This is 10 reasons why CCTV installs get 4 times better with the HDMules. 1. They let you send up to 4 CCTV cameras down only one coax cable. That's 4 times more than usual. 2. They make it really easy to expand your existing CCTV systems. There's no need to unearth old cable runs to replace them. 3. HDMules are multi-technology. They work with HD TVI, CVI, AHD and old analog systems too. 4. They also let you send RS485 signals up the coax for controlling PTZ cameras. 5. The 4-channel models have a range of up to 125 meters, and the 2-channel models have a range of up to 500 meters. 6. Both the transmitter and receiver have a clever compact design, so they're easy to hide behind other CCTV equipment. 7. A pair of HDMules will save you time and money on new cable runs, and they'll help keep your installs tidier as well. 8. They transmit 2 megapixel camera signals, and that is where we got the HD bit from. 9. They're easy to power. The HDMules take a 12-volt DC power supply through a universal 2.1mm plug. 10. They're quick and easy to install, working as soon as they're plugged in. So that is the HDMule signal distributors, an ingenious receiver and transmitter pair for sending multiple CCTV camera signals down one coax cable. Ideal for expanding existing systems, and they allow PTZ control as well. Remember, the HDMules work with CCTV cameras up to 2 megapixels, so if you're working with higher resolution kit, make sure to turn the resolution down in the camera's menu to 2 megapixels, which is still glorious HD. You can find both the 2-channel and the 4-channel models on systemq.com. And the following slide will also have the model numbers on in case you want to jot them down to help you look them up later. Cheers!